In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a store without Shopify in GoHighLevel. Start by logging in to your GoHighLevel sub-account. Once you're on the dashboard, head to Sites. This is where all of your funnels and website pages live, so it's the perfect place to organize everything for your store. Create a new funnel. Give it a clear, memorable name. Something like Online Store works great. Then click Create. Naming your funnel well makes it easier to manage later, especially if you build multiple stores or product lines. Inside the new funnel, add your first page. Click Add New Step, then name this page Product Page and create the step. This page will serve as your product showcase. You can later add images, descriptions, pricing details, and any trust elements you want visitors to see before they buy. Add another step for your checkout experience. Name it Checkout Page, then create the step. This is the transactional heart of your store, so keeping it clean and focused will help conversions. Add one final step and name it Order Confirmation Page. Then create that step as well. This is the thank you page your customers will see after purchase. It's useful for order summaries, next steps, or even simple upsell messages. Now open the checkout page you just created. This is where you'll actually build the store interface. Choose to create the page from a blank canvas so you have full control over the layout and elements. In the page builder, click Insert Element. From the Elements panel, select the one-step order form. This pre-built form bundles product selection, customer details, and payment collection on a single screen, making it ideal for single products or a simple offer. After placing the form, you can customize its fields, copy, and design to match your brand. You'll also be able to configure product details and pricing inside the form settings as you refine your offer. Click Save to make sure your changes are stored. It's a good habit to save frequently as you design so you never lose progress. When you're ready to share your store, click Publish. Publishing makes your funnel live so you can start sending traffic from ads, emails, or social posts straight to your product page through checkout and onto the confirmation page for a smooth customer journey. That's it. You've just built a store in GoHighLevel without using Shopify. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.